Hi, this is How To's. In this video we are going to see how you can highlight certain values in Excel using conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a feature in many spreadsheet applications that allows you to apply specific formatting to cells that meet certain criteria. It is most often used as color-based formatting to highlight, emphasize, or differentiate among data and information stored in a spreadsheet. Let's use the following sales data in Excel to learn how to use conditional formatting. First of all, select the range on which you want to apply formatting, and then go to Home from top ribbon and select Conditional Formatting and select the type of formatting. Now here, you can select what conditions you want to apply so that the values satisfying those conditions gets highlighted. For example, you want to highlight the cells where the sale is more than 200. Then you can do that by clicking on greater than condition here and then enter the criteria. That is, I will enter 200 here, as I want to highlight sales greater than this, and select the color of the highlight and click OK, and as you can see, cells have been highlighted. Similarly, you can also use plethora of pre-default conditions here, like if you want to highlight duplicate sales, then just simply click here. Or, if you want to highlight top 10 sales, then click here. You can also create your own conditions by clicking on New Rule. Let me know in the comments if you want a detailed video to learn how to create rules. To remove the formatting, you can simply just click Clear Rules and then either from entire sheet or from selected data. As you can see, formatting has been removed. So, this is how you can use conditional formatting. Thank you. Hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video.